welcome to the Premier Inn. And where are we today?
Frame, or what do you call it?
Anyway, let's take a tour around this room, shall we? So, here we are. We got our bed. Darren, what do you think of the bed?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Are you going to do the bed test?
Well, I already have. It's actually, it's actually quite comfortable, so it's not too bad.
Go on then.
We're only here for the one night, aren't we? So, you know.
Okay. We'll jump on it then.
Jump on you. Yeah, it's fine. I was actually just nodding off until you come in here. This started blooming well.
So, what was it? Basically, we are here for one night, and this is going to be the room tour. I'm now filming, so we're not going to do the dust test quite yet. So here we have the bed, then we have the bathroom, a standard Premier Inn bathroom, toilet. It's not too bad. You got your soaps in there. Bathroom, standard kind of bath really. Got some chips, so it's a bit dirty here, in there, a bit rubby. But yeah, just a normal kind of Premier Inn really. So we get a towel, we got a towel, a duvet, some more pillows up there, tea and coffee we've already had. And over here, there's no air conditioning, so they left us a note here about the air conditioning, not that one, that's about the cleaning. But this was the one. It says that they haven't got air conditioning. So
it's an older one, isn't it?
they provided us with a fan. And over here you got a very, lovely, what would you call it? It's kind of like a sofa. What do you think of the sofa?
Yeah, it's not bad. It's better than what you get in a travel lodge. It's actually quite comfortable. I've sat on it. It's all right.
You've been laying on it more like.
Well, it's basically a bed, but it's like much more better than you get in a travel lodge.
So,
that's annoying.
Darren just banged his head on that.
Shut up.
That's what we got there. Some paint.
Starting to flake away. I think I've had a bit of damp on some gear at one time or another.
Don't know whether you can see that. Yeah. So, Darren.
No, double old tin of skirting boards, that's for sure.
So you was just having a look, wasn't you, around all the dust?
TV ain't been done for a while.
So.
Down here is probably more the same, is it? Yeah. Oh, hello.
So as normal, the top of the wardrobe is
kind of attention to lack of detail.
I don't think we need to do any more.
But basically,
I think
basically.
So you got.
I suppose up here. Oh, wow, that's the same. Covered in dust. Oh dear. Dear. Basic cleanliness, okay. Basically, what they've done is the stuff that is clearly visible to people that they've cleaned. Things that they think people are not really interested in, such as the skirting boards, tops of wardrobes, tops of the fire door there, and same up here, I suppose. Where the coats go, covered in dust. So clearly haven't been done for some time. But the main thing is carpet's okay, it's clean. A little bit dated looking, but it is one of the older ones. So for one night, it's adequate. I mean, the cleaning isn't perfect because of the reasons I just outlined, like dust.
You got everything you need. You got
everything you need for the time you're
your
here.
bed, also bathroom, kettle, TV, kind of like a sofa kind of thing, which is quite nice, isn't it? So
yeah, it's certainly good enough for the time that we're here anyway. I don't quite know what this is. There's the charger.
Yeah, that's if you want to put.
USB.
Yeah.
That's nice little touches.
Just showing. I'll show you what he was just talking about. So yeah, if you've got any adapters, you can can do on here. And as you can see, Darren is showing how to relax.
Well, I've had to do all the work today because it's her birthday, so she expects me to do the doggy work like driving and stuff like that.
And we're hoping that we can get into the beef eater. We're going to go down there now and see.
Yeah, she's making me miss the Spain-Germany game for it.
And
Bad, isn't
then,
it?
well, we'll see you later. Hey everyone, so we have been for our dinner down at the beef eater in the Premier Inn, and it was okay. Darren will be back soon and he will tell you his review, but basically I had a lasagna, which you will see here, and also the beef and nail pie, which Darren had as well. Now it was okay. We didn't sit in the restaurant this time. We only sat in the bar area, which was absolutely fine, and we only had one drink. It was quite kind of busy, to be honest with you, and we got Prosecco, and it's my birthday, and I just said to Darren, just go and get the Prosecco and chocolates and we'll have that for when we go back to the room. I mean, it's only what, 7 o'clock now, so we are going to enjoy the rest of the evening here in our room, relaxing, because we don't get that much time to relax when we are at home and we got the kids and that. And this may be the last time we have a night away. Was it in 2 days away? So yeah, it's it is the weekend and it is busy, but we will see how it goes tomorrow. We haven't got breakfast here because last time we had breakfast in the Premier Inn, it wasn't that good, and so I just bought some breakfast, a breakfast sandwich for us to munch on when we go to Lonley, and so we'll be going to Lonley tomorrow. And we'll get there. We are only around about a 10-minute journey. It's only 5 miles away, so it's not that far. And basically, yeah, so we will see you in the morning and that. And I think if we got time, because we don't really need to check out until a little bit later, we'll probably leave here about 9:30 and that to get to Lonley and to queue up and everything. It opens at 10, so because we don't have to travel that far, we can leave later, we can have a nice lie-in and that. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this trip, and yeah, I'm going to enjoy the rest of the evening with my husband and just relaxing, watching a bit of TV. We got the football on and that. So yeah, so join us tomorrow for our last day at Lonley. It's been really good. I really do like Lonley. It's got really nice animals and that. Today sadly many of them was hiding from the rain and that they wasn't very active because we got there a little bit later. We didn't do the safari until around about 1 o'clock ish, and that the time that we got round it was about 2, and then it started to rain. We'd done the train was a waste of time, so I'll get Darren on camera and see what he thinks, probably maybe tomorrow and that. But yeah, really enjoying my birthday. Thanks to Rebecca and Matthew for getting me a birthday card and that, and some roses, and that was really nice. And also to my parents, who a shout out to them, because they actually looking after Matthew and Rebecca tonight, and Matthew's not easy at the moment, so I'm really happy that they are looking after him. He seems to be okay up and down and that, but yeah, it's only going to be maybe once or twice a month that they will have him. So we are planning to go to Chessington as well in a couple of weeks time, hopefully, so we'll just for like a day to make sure that it's suitable for like the kids. But we will see you tomorrow.